Hey everyone, Steve Kalayjian here at Trade Easy. So look at this monster sell reversal here in oil. Again, we look at the 15-minute time frame and then the 5-minute time frame. And you can see here the MACD is negative above the pivot. The algorithm went negative around the 10-15 level on indicator 4. It correlated with the 5. And then what do? We look to use the smaller time frames like the 3 and the 5-minute time frames for entries and exits. And you can see here, looking at oil, this was the first bounce right here off the 3-minute. Well, you can see even though we're looking at the 5, the 3 really got way overbought. And then using the 5-minute, which got perfect strategy. Both patterns, the 3-minute and then the 5-minute, you can see the push down on oil here. Oil on this pattern on the 5-minute hit the 112.01 and immediately dropped to 110.67. What a monster sell strategy here. This is what we do each and every day here on our live channel from 9 to 4.